Hi, my name is Stephen Ma, and filming this is Ardinia Lewis. I'm from Patriot High School, and Ardinia's at Garfield High School in Woodbridge, Virginia, which is where we are now. We're actually going to demonstrate the Carousel station activity for our lesson. This lesson was actually taken from Charles Topper, who's a professor at Pace University, and he did a GenCyber workshop that I worked on. So we just decided to incorporate the carousel method into some of these activities that he provided for us. So the activities that we're doing are the age estimator, key track, the secret lock, and the fake fingerprint, and the DNA generated face. So what I'm going to do for you is show the age estimator activity.
What in here? Okay.
So at each station, we have the website pulled up on the computer, and we also have some chart paper with the questions on it. So basically, there's going to be an advantage that each student will have to write along with a disadvantage. So an advantage to this biometric method would be, how can this biometric method be used to help us? Or they can alternatively answer the question, what makes this biometric method advantageous over other methods? Then they'll have to list a disadvantage for the biometric method. So what's a problem that can occur with this biometric method? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the website, and actually with this age estimator app, you can actually do this on your phone, so students can actually pull their phones out, take a picture of themselves, and then it's going to estimate their age. So I go ahead, do the activity. We'll just pretend that that's me, I guess. So, oh, look, I took a picture of myself. I'm 31 years old. Oh, that's really cool. So now I'm going to think of an advantage. So let's see, what's a use that I could do? So I can go ahead and say, okay, one use for this could be entrance into a movie theater. So I'll go ahead and write that on the paper. And then I'll go ahead and write a disadvantage. So what's one problem that could occur with this biometric method? And so as a group, we'll come up with a disadvantage. So one issue might be that the age estimator app is actually not very accurate. It could overestimate or underestimate my age. So I'm going to go ahead and write accuracy is questionable. And once we're done playing with this site and app, so this should be about 10 minutes, our group will take our colored marker and go on to the next station to do the next activity. So when we go to the next station, which is key track, students will go ahead and have the key track site up. And for the key track biometric method, this is a behavioral biometric. So what I'll do with this one is I have to type in a password. And after I do this activity, it will learn my typing pattern. So what happens is that another person in the group will try to go ahead and type in the password again and see if they can crack it. And what this person will find is that sometimes they will not be able to get in because person B's typing pattern will not be the same as the person who originally typed in the password. But actually, when I did this activity, I found out that if the two people have similar typing speeds, that actually you can crack the password. So what we have to do is, once we've made these discoveries, what we'll do is go back to, there will be another sheet of butcher paper with the same questions written in. And so I'll have to think of a different advantage and a different disadvantage that other people wrote. So let's say this this is up there, I have to think of something different. So for key track, I could say, what makes this advantageous over other methods? I could say more secure than a password alone. And then I have to come up with a disadvantage that is different from the others. So I could write, it's easy to crack if two people have the same typing speed.